Are you tired of copying and pasting the same email over and over again to several people? Do you wish there's a better and faster way for you to send bulk emails without losing the individual touch? Today, I will show you how to send bulk emails to a lot of people without losing that personal touch. You're welcome back to my channel. My name is Gift Grace. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and you're welcome. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to hit the subscribe button. So without further ado, let's dive into what we have for today. Alright, so for you to be able to send this personalized email, we are going to be using Mail Merge and Google Sheets. So you need to prepare the information that you want to personalize to those people you want to reach out to. So whether you want to send, you're an affiliate marketer, you want to invite people for an event and all of that, and you want to personalize the email, this works well. So for example, I have my data already on my Google Sheet. So you can see the first name, the email address of the individual I want to reach out to, in the position, and the application. So I'm creating this for HR team that is hiring for all of this position. So next is for us to draft our email. Okay, so come to where you have compose. Next is for us to compose the email that we want to send. So you go to compose, and then we want to type the message we want them to receive. So for this session, we have the tool that is where you're supposed to enter the email one after the other, leave it blank, and then go to where you have the subject, and then type in your subject line. So for me, I will just type in the subject line that I want to use. And then I'm using the double curly bracket to add this part where it's going to be personalized, because we have several people applied for different roles. And then I close it with a double curly bracket, and then I go to the body of the email. So I'm going to add the first name. So now note that whatever personalization you are adding up here in your email, make sure it tallies with what you have in your Google Sheet. So make sure it tallies. So this first name, make sure it's in the same format. You don't use small letters and then you are using capital letters. Then no, you have to make sure it corresponds what you have here. So to make it easier for you, you just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. So you can just copy and paste what you have there. So here I have position, but I'm having something else here, so which means I need to change it. I need to change it. Okay, it must correspond with what we have there. Okay, so I have position there. So good. So here I could just copy so that when I need it, I don't have to go back again. Okay. So just type in your email at this time. So we're done with the draft. So all you have to do is just click out and then we have our draft. So next is for us to, add the main image. But before then, you will need this documentation here. So I'm going to be leaving the link of this documentation in the description of this video. So make sure you check the description of this video to be able to get this link. All right. So once you get to this page, so you can see create a main image with Gmail and Google Sheets. So just scroll down. Okay, so this is the source code provided by Google. So just scroll down until where you have view source code. So click on it. So you can view the code now. So this is the code we need to be able to um, initiate our main merge. So click on the copy icon, then go back to your Google Sheets. Then where you have this extension, click on this extension and then click on add script. Click on app script. You want to delete what you have in this space. So just Control A and then, or you could just highlight what you have here. So highlight everything and delete. Then the code you copied, you paste it. Control V to paste it. And then you can name your project. So what am I going to name it? Based on what I'm working on. So I'll just save it what I'm working on. So save it with any name that you like. So when you are done saving the project, so what we need to do is to able to configure the recipient. Okay, so just scroll. So just scroll. So where you have this recipient colon. So where you have this recipient, we want to change it to those that are receiving it. So it is the email that we want, the email we have on the Google Sheet. It is these people who want this message to be sent to. So you want to change this recipient that you have here to the column, what you have in this column. So what I have in this column is email. If this email address I have here, you must also paste that. So it's good for you to just copy and paste so that you don't, make any mistake. So I will just copy and paste what I have here and then go back here and then paste it. Sorry, let me clean this. Okay, so the recipient column is the email column that we have, and then the email sent column we don't have it yet, so we need to create the column. So this help to be able to track those that we already sent the email to, right? So what you need to do is make sure you save the project. Make sure you save it. So you click on this icon to save your project, and then you can go back to your Gmail now. So you can go back to your Google Sheet now, and then you refresh it. Voila! So we have our main image already appearing here. Can you see that? So click on the main image. We're about to send our emails now. All right, so you will need to give permission to Google to be able to go ahead to send this email. So let's give Google the permission. Choose the account you're working on. So I'm working on this account, so I just click on it. Okay, you're going to see this warning because we don't have workspace. So click on advanced and then click go to send this email and then give the permission. So just select all, then scroll down and then click on continue. All right, so next is for us to copy copy and paste the subject line, or we just type. So I will just copy. So I'll go back to the draft. So I'll go back to the draft and then, okay, a minute, please. Remember the colon I said we are going to create. So let's create that first before we go ahead with it. So let's create the colon. The email sent colon, we need it. So let me create the column first before we go ahead to send. All right, so let me copy the subject line. So we can click on the main merge and send emails to, I will just paste and then click on OK. Can you see what happened? It has been sent. Like, is it even up to 20 seconds? I doubt it. It has been sent. So let's confirm if this email was actually sent. So I'm going to be going to one of this Gmail to check if we got that message. So stick around. I am right here in one of the emails that I use. And can you remember the subject line that I used? Application received, and then we have the position that was applied. For this one, we have the marketing assistant, and that is exactly what we have here. You can see that's what we have here. So we can see this email, the position is marketing assistant exactly. So let's see the body of the email. Let's open the email. Can you see how personalized this email is? Like, who will know that this is automation in place? Do you enjoy watching this video? Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Comment if this video was helpful to you, and don't forget to like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people. Like, a lot of people need to see this video so that they can be able to send, personalized email to as much people as they want, and that will cut out the manual work of copying and pasting. And you can apply this to every area of your marketing, or even if you're applying for a job, reaching out to people to apply for job, you can use this to send this email instead of you copying and pasting. You want to invite people to an event, you can make use of this method. You want to update clients, let's assume you are working with several clients and you know that each client, details are different. What the job they did with you is different. So you can use this no merge to actually send this email to those people. So see you in my next video.